Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Though they don't fully replace the deep cleaning power of a traditional vacuum, we think robot vacuums are worth it for regular vacuuming in between occasional deep cleaning sessions, without the hassle of lugging a vacuum out of a hall closet and doing it yourself.
Let's help you make your mark.
The short answer to this question is no, not yet. Robot vacuums don't have all the capabilities of normal vacuums. However, robot vacuum cleaners can vacuum as long as the battery has a charge, keeping your floor cleaner on a day-to-day basis. This reduces wear and tear on your regular vacuum.
Let's help you make your mark.
How long does the robot vacuum cleaner need to charge fully and how long is its battery life? The battery lasts, in normal operation, around 60 minutes, in eco mode, around 90 minutes. Depending on the type of floor, it may last up to 15 minutes longer.
Take our lead.
The simple answer: few people will run their Roomba less frequently than once a week. Likewise, few people will run their Roomba more than once per day. So the simple answer to how often you should run a Roomba is between 1 and 7 times per week.
Take our lead.
Hybrid robot vacuum mops have come a long way and continue to improve. Robot mops are best for maintenance cleaning after you've done a good vacuuming and mopping. Then set it up to run on a daily schedule to extend the time needed between manual cleaning.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.